This short training video will show you step-by-step how to install Eaton's high-performance rotary through the door handles for molded case circuit breakers. We'll show you the included hardware, tools needed for installation, and the installation process. When you purchase a handle, it comes standard with a self-adhesive style template, mounting screws, handle gasket, and an instruction leaflet. An optional shaft guide is also available to aid in alignment of the shaft to the handle when the enclosure door opens and closes. In addition, you will need appropriate metal working tools to perform the installation, screwdrivers, and a tape measure. The breaker should already be installed in its enclosure in the desired location. It is recommended that the breaker be at least 6 inches away from the hinged side of the enclosure. This ensures an adequate angle for the shaft to interface with the handle as the enclosure is opened and closed. To use this handle, there are 2 other parts needed: a mechanism which attaches to the front of the breaker and a shaft which connects the handle to the mechanism. Mechanisms are sized to the breaker frame size, so each frame will have a different mechanism. Shafts come in various length options. However, shafts are designed to be cut to length to match the depth of the enclosure. The 24-inch shafts come with an extra bracket to help with alignment. Before you start the installation, be sure to follow all safety measures. Electrical equipment should be installed and serviced by qualified personnel only. Be sure to turn the power off to the enclosure before working on the equipment and use safety glasses, gloves, or any other safety-related protective equipment. To start the installation, first mount the mechanism to the breaker by aligning it to the breaker's faceplate screw holes. Once aligned, attach it in place with the screws provided and cut the wire tie. Cut the shaft to length and place it in the mechanism. Use the set screw to tighten. Put some paint on the tip of the shaft and close the door. The paint will transfer on the door to mark it. Drill a hole on the paint mark and cut out the center hole. This can be done using various tools. Notice when the door is closed, the shaft extends through the hole to the outside of the enclosure. Orient the sticker to match the on-off position on the sticker to the mechanism on the breaker. The orientation of the breaker may require the sticker to be rotated. Then, cut out the center hole of the sticker. Remove the backing and place the sticker on the door. Match up the center holes. Ensure the pin on the shaft aligns with the cross marks on the sticker. Using a punch, mark the 4 corner screw holes on the sticker through the enclosure. Remove the sticker and drill the 4 holes. Place the gasket in the groove around the outside edge of the handle. Run a finger around the edge to ensure it is in place. Place the handle through the hole and secure with the screws. An alternate method can be used to install the handle from the outside of the enclosure rather than the inside. Insert clips as shown, drive in 4 screws from the front of the handle in the same 4 holes, then add the handle cover back on. If using the optional shaft guide, secure it on the inside of the door using 2 screws. In this case, 2 screws were used in the previous step, leaving 2 screw holes for securing the shaft guide. For demonstration purposes, the cross-section of the enclosure shows the handle, mechanism, and breaker in operation as the door is opened and closed. The installation is complete. Here are some additional features. When the breaker and handle are in the off position, you can pull out the white piece from the front of the handle and add padlocks for any lockout, tagout needs. In case of emergency, a small point can be inserted in the handle at the hole next to off. This allows the door to open while the breaker is on. As you can see, installation and operation of these high-performance handles is simple. We purposefully designed the escutcheon to be the same on all 4 handles to make installation exactly the same, including the size and placement of the cutout and drilling holes. For any further information, you can reach us a number of different ways. online at eaton.com/handles. Find us on your smartphone via the PowerEdge application, where this video and online catalog can also be found. And you can always contact the Eaton Care Support Team via phone at 1-877-ETN-CARE. Chat from our website or email us at trc@eaton.com.